Phrase of the day. Play for keeps.
Wallace plays for keeps.
As you Americans say, we will play for keeps.
To play for keeps means to approach something seriously with the intention of winning for good or making a permanent commitment. It suggests that you're not just playing around or doing something casually. You're fully committed to achieving your goal or securing something for the long term.
When I play for keeps. Bank on it.
Looks like these guys are playing for keeps.
For example, in a business deal, if someone is said to be playing for keeps, they are committed to making sure the deal succeeds and is long-lasting. A person in a relationship who is serious about the future and ready for long-term commitment is also playing for keeps.
Hey, I play for keeps.
It is all about seriousness and commitment with a goal of making a lasting impact. Subscribe to keep learning and growing your vocabulary.